Today we're going to talk about how to create your Medicare.gov account. Now, your Medicare.gov account is important because you can see your current plan that you're on. You can add any prescription drugs that you might take or any preferred pharmacies that you have. You can also make sure to compare costs in regards to your plan. It also gives you access to your primary care doctor's information and facilities that you like to go to. Also, it has information on how to set up premium payments for those who don't get Social Security retirement or railroad retirement. They have to pay their premium payments on their own. They get a quarterly bill, and this is a way to do Medicare Easy Pay through your Medicare.gov account. So, in order to set up the account, of course, you go to Medicare.gov, you click on create an account right there. And then once you click on create an account, it's going to take you through some steps. So you're going to first see this information here. It's going to tell you to enter your Medicare number and coverage date. So right here is where you will enter your Medicare number. Make sure you enter it correctly. And then also it wants to know your Part A coverage date. So the date you started Medicare Part A. So let's say if it was June 2024, that's what you will put there. Okay. And then from there, you just go ahead and click next to go to the next page. Once you get to the next page, it's going to ask you to list and put in your last name. If you have any suffixes, you put that there as well. Make sure you put in your date of birth. It's important. Now, zip code is important to make sure you put the zip code where you actually get your mailing from Social Security. So sometimes there can be a permanent address that you live at, but it can be a mailing address where you get your actual Social Security information. Make sure you put that zip code there. And from there, if you have an email, enter the email information in because they will send you a confirmation to let you know your Medicare.gov account was set up. If you really don't do anything with email, don't worry about it. Just check that box that states, I don't have an email address. And what will happen is they will send you a letter within 14 days telling you your Medicare.gov account was set up. Check the last box agreeing to the statements below and then hit next. Next, you have to set up what's called, of course, your username so you can log back into your account. So it can be a little bit tricky if you don't pay attention. They don't allow you to use any symbols at the first or last of the username. So make sure you pay attention to that. So just follow those instructions carefully. Then you will set up from there your password and also follow the instructions so it will actually work for you to set up the password and then set up in a security question and then hit create an account. And then from there, you're basically done. You have your Medicare.gov account. Okay. Well, thank you for watching and have a blessed one. Talk to you soon.